Hi friends, today we'll be learning about understanding HTML lesson 10 class 8 in a very short form. So we're not going to be going deep with the questions, but we're going to see how to do HTML and what are the body, the head and the format of it. So now let's see who is the founder of HTML. It's Tim Berners-Lee. Okay, and HTML was introduced on January 18, 2011, and this is HTML5. Okay, so yeah, HTML is the improved version of HTML. Okay, now let's see the HTML format. So as you can see in the HTML, there is two parts. There is head and the body. So what should we do in the head? What should we do with the body? At the head, you have to start the HTML with the two greater signs, and you always have to do the you always have to put the tags. So let's open the greater sign and then HTML. Then you should start with the heading of your line. So open the brackets and again put head and close it. And now in the next line you have to write a title for your web page, right? So now let's put your title. Open the bracket, title and close it. And then you have to put the title of your web page and then you have to again close it. But while closing it, the thing is you have to use a forward slash. You have to open the bracket, put the forward slash which is leaning towards the right, and then put the title and close it again. And now our heading part is ready. So now you also have to close the head. You open the head, right? You have to close the head. And then now you have to open the body. The body is the main text part or the main data that is inside. For example, let's tell a slogan. Whatever you do come back to you, and the bad you do come back to you. That's somehow a slogan. Okay, now after you're done with the body, you have to close the body. How should you close it? With a forward slash body and then close. Okay, and after the HTML is completely done, after the body, obviously the HTML will be over. So you just not leave it like that. You have to close the HTML. And then our first simple HTML without a lot of programs or without a lot of tags is done. Now let's go a little bit advanced. So here now we are coming to a new topic, and this is called as the P. So P is the starting of new paragraph. So if you are starting a paragraph and then you have to close it, and if you start another P, it starts another paragraph while you are saving it. And now let's see what is P align. So P align makes the text to the center. A P align is equal to center in the double quotes will align the text to the center, and P align in the right will align the text to the right, and P align in the left aligns the text to the left side. But P align justify has the normal thing. It will be fully okay. So the left and the right both. It will not end at the middle or something like that. It's fully. So that's how this align works. Now let's go to the next one. So as you can see here, there is the HTML starting and the head starting and the title closed and the head is closed and body is starting, and here the center. You can put P align, but it's just center. So if you just put center, that's enough. But until you close the center, all the text you write will be in the center. Now let's just continue and let's see how to make the font size and the font color. You have to open the bracket, put font size equal to 3 or 4. It's the standard size. And you have to put them in brackets. And then the color, you can put any color in there, but I'll give you the options of the colors or the codes. There is the color name or the color code, so I'm going to show you them. Hope you guys have seen them. So, and then that's it. You have to close the font and start the font again newly if you wanted new color. And then now let's see how to change the font, which is Arial, the Verdana, and so font. And what is BR? You may think BR. So I forgot to tell this. There are two types of tags: container tags and empty tags. So container tags have on and off tags, which is, what do you mean by on and off tags? The tags which open and close. But empty tags only have on tags, and the BR tag is an empty tag, which does not have an closing tag. It only has the opening tag, which is it just starts and it keeps on going. That's all. That's what the meaning of container and empty tags. And you obviously have to put the body and the font face. When you want your font style, you can put the font face is equal to, you can put anything, Arial or Canadian, anything, and then you can finally see in the last they're closing the center, and then they're closing the font, they're closing body and closing HTML. In the end you must close the body and HTML. Now let's see how to put the background color. It's very simple. So you have to put the HTML and head, you have to complete the head, and when you're coming to the body, when you're putting the body, and don't close the tab, you can close it and put it separately, but it's very easy when you're opening the body tag, and then put BODY BGCOLOUR and is equal to whatever color you want, red, blue, or white, or silver, or yellow, or navy, or teal, anything. And you can put that and put that in the double quotes, and then close it, and it will get your background color, the total background color in red or whatever color you want. And then normally it just continues. Now let's see what color, the color of your text inside the text. So it will be, just put color equal to white or anything you want, and voila, that's it. And you can just close it and put a new color to just get a new color in a different paragraph, and and probably that's it. And then you have to close your paragraph and everything, just whatever you opened you can close them, and then you have to close the font, the center, and the body, and the HTML at the last. Now let's go to the next one. So now let's see how to set margins. So it's very easy this time also, but when you are going to the body tag, and then after you complete the head tag, you have to open the body tag, and then you can put top margin 100, left margin 100, or and you can, at the time itself, you can put the body color or the BG color. You can close it, and then everything, just the P align and your body, and then you can close the font, and you have to close the paragraph, you have to close the BR tag, and then just close the body and HTML. It's very simple, and this lesson is over just like that. So I'm going to put the backbook exercises for you guys, and you guys can just attempt them and tell me the answers in the comments. If they are correct, I'll like your comment, and if it's wrong, I'll tell the answer. That's it for today's video. Make sure like, share, and subscribe for more. If this was understandable and this was easy, and if you guys want more videos, make sure like, share, and subscribe. Bye.